Hi, my name is Tina Sage. I am your child's marine science teacher in the 2021 school year. We will be covering the physical, chemical, and biological aspects of the ocean and the marine bodies of waters that feed into it. This is their online textbook. They got access to it on Tuesday. And if your son or daughter did not get access to it, we will be working on it this week so that all my students will have access to it, because we will be working with their online textbook as well as activities and projects throughout their school year, which is shortened because it will run from August to January 15th. And then they'll have a new technical school year starting, I believe it's January 19th, to run through the end of into June. This was our syllabus that you should, I hope, have already seen. Here's the supply list that I had asked for. I'm only asking for a section of notebooks so that the kids have some place to keep all their notes and keep all their materials so that they stay organized. Hopefully these are the same things that their other classes are requesting. I did ask for colored pencils because they will be doing some coloring, so it's best that they have them. I have requested that they're not sharing with other kids to keep the spread of COVID from happening within the classroom. We do have a large population within the classroom, but I have enough seats so that the kids are spread apart. Nobody is sitting next to each other. Also on our syllabus, we have the grading percentages. We will be using two main platforms, Focus and Google Classroom. The kids will be turning in all their work through the Google Classroom. If they're having issues with that, they can just take a picture of it and email it to me. I have asked, though, that when they do email me stuff, that they put in the subject line the assignment that they're sending to me. And of course, if there's any issues with regards to that, they can just hand it in to me, and then I will grade it that way. But I prefer that it is turned in digitally, as that is when most of the teachers are taking in their work, our students' work. Just it's a safety precaution. All of our assessments will be done in class, or they can be done electronically. The kids are allowed to bring in their electronic devices, their laptops, into the classroom. So if they wanted to do that and do their notes electronically, they can do that. They can actually take all their tests electronically, so that they don't have to worry about touching paper or taking the paper that I give them, the bubble sheet. And because our e-learners are doing them electronically, our kids in class are allowed to do that also. So the kids are given plenty of notice. So if your son or daughter wants to do their test electronically, all they have to do is bring their laptop, and because our tests have to be done on laptop in order for them to work correctly. On the syllabus, best way to get in touch with me is via email, or if you're using Focus, we do have that new feature, the Messenger. You can send me a message via Messenger, and it will actually give me an email if I am not on Focus. That way I know that I have a message. It also will email me the message, and that way I can reply directly to you. It works for both parents and students. That's a quick way to let me know that you need to talk to me, and that way I can get back to you as soon as possible. But that is the best way to get a hold of me, is either Messenger or email, because I try not to sit at my desk. It's a little more difficult because since I am doing e-learning and face-to-face at the same time, but I still try not to answer my phone while I am teaching. So again, email is the best way to get a hold of me, and I will reply back normally the same day. The kids are doing really well with regards to the face mask, but it is imperative that they are wearing the face mask in class, because we do have kids and myself that are immunocompromised, but again, they are doing a great job with that. So if you have any questions or concerns, please get in touch with me so that we can get that cleared up, because I want the kids to be successful this year and have a great time learning.